नमस्कार सबैलाई। नमस्कार साथी अश्विनजी, तपाईलाई मुचो एन्टरटेनमेन्ट टिभीमा धेरै धेरै स्वागत छ। नमस्कार। अनि तपाईलाई पनि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। सुरु गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि हामी यो भिडियो हेर्ने अश्विनजी। तपाईलाई थाहा भयो होला अश्विनजी, हजुर देख्दा त याद भएको जस्तो लाग्यो हो नि। आज हामीहरू सकुलेन्टको टेरारियम बनाउन सिक्नेछौँ। हिजो आज धेरैको घरमा हामी सकुलेन्ट या प्लान्टहरू देख्छौँ। त्यसैले आज यो भिडियो मलाई मेरो साथीले सेयर गर्नुभएको हो। साँच्ची भन्दा तपाईँ त सलोनीको राम्रो साथी हुनुहुन्छ नि। यसो तपाईँले नै परिचय दिए त राम्रो हुन्छ होला। अब तपाईँले भनिहाल्नुभयो है, सलोनी गुरुङ चाहिँ अति नै ट्यालेन्टेड हो। अनि मैले उसलाई चाहिँ सरसिङ कलेजमा भेटेको। अनि ऊ चाहिँ अहिले बिएड सकेर मास्टर्स गरिरहेको छ। अनि ऊ पुरै मिलनसार पनि छ। अश्विनज्यू, तपाईँलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ। अब ज्यादा टाइम नलिकन अब भिडियोतर्फ लाग्नेछौँ।
Today in our video we are going to make a very simple DIY terrarium. If you are new to this word terrarium, then please do check the description box below where I have put in some details about it. So without any further delay, let's start with the process. The things that we need are some colorful stones, some colorful sands, a fish bowl. I have used blue and yellow sands, some orchid manure, some charcoal, which is very important, some garden soil, common sand, and of course some baby succulents. So the first step is to put charcoals. This is gonna be the first step of our terrarium. Charcoals, because as we know there are no holes in the fish bowl, the charcoals will help to absorb extra water from the soil. Next is gonna be the common sand, also for absorbing the moisture. Then I'm adding colorful sands, just being creative. But remember not to put the colorful sands in the middle. It should be placed at the sides only. As you can see in the video, I am putting only on the sides of the fish bowl. Next layer is going to be the orchid manure, which is very important for the succulent. Just level it down. I have done here so gently. And after that I add some yellow colorful sands. So the next layer is the mixture soil, where I have mixed garden soil with cow manure. There were few unwanted visitors in the manure, so I just got rid of it. So after that, choose any of the small succulents you have in your home and place it according to your will. In this terrarium, I have used some haworthias, some echeverias. So after that, choose any of the small succulents you have in your home and place it according to your will. In this terrarium, I have used some haworthias, some echeverias. I had some hens and chicks. This is the part where you get creative, you can put some big succulent also, and also small succulent too. Now I have used some colorful stones and I have also used tweezers to place the small baby succulents in place. And again added some white pretty stones. So guys, this is our final product. I hope you liked it.
तपाईलाई सलोनीको भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो? एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो। अनि म भन्न चाहन्छु कि यो लकडाउनको बेलामा तपाईँ हामीले पनि यसरी नै समयको सुप्रयोग गरी कला कृतिमा अघि भाग लिनु। I'm very thankful to my dear friend Saloni for giving me your beautiful video to share with my Muche and video. So, anyone who wants to say such activities or any poems, kindly feel free to share in the given Gmail address which I have given in our description box. हवस् त अश्विनज्यू, अब बिदा लिने टाइम पनि भइसकेको छ। अब राम्ररी बस्नुहोस् अनि जरुरी समय मात्र बाहिर निक्लिनु होला। धन्यवाद साथी। अनि तपाईहरू पनि यसै गरी चाहिने काममा मात्रै बाहिर निक्लिनु होला अनि निक्लिने बेलामा मास्क पनि लगाउनु होला। अनि म मेरो साथी क्यामेराम्यान सरोज तामाङ अनि मेरो साथी लोकनाथलाई धन्यवाद दिन।